Howdy, howdy. I can't take it anymore. Let's crush a couple cars real quick, and then let's go see what that is over there in the woods. I got a truck on the way, but I can't take it anymore. Every time I look that way, I can see what it is. I'd have just drove over there already. But hey, work first, right? You always got to take care of work first. Let me get a car on the rack for Mario. Let's just keep crushing. Let's just keep crushing. Got an aluminum wheel and a battery in the trunk. Let me go get that junker. Mario, grab it and make sure that wheel is loose. Alright. I gotta get a truck on the rack for him. Come on, Chevy truck. Alright, let's get some work done. We'll go look at that car. Oh, we're gonna, man. Let me get something up here for Mario, and then let's go look at that car. Golly. I don't know if y'all see this behind that little cedar tree. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, cowboy, easy, cowboy. That's a hood off of like a 65. I think that's a Chevy hood off of like a 65 pickup. Hang on, let me put this somewhere. Hang on. It looks decent. Hang on. People are gonna hate my channel. 4 minutes in and I ain't even looked at the car yet. I think it's a, I wonder how long it's been sitting here. I think it's like a MG or something like that, or it's some little British golly, I don't want to drive through this stuff. I don't know what's under these weeds. We got to get it out. I got to look at it. I ain't going over there and looking at it. Not when I got one of these loaders. The only thing I'm worried about is these forks are probably just as wide as the wheelbase. All right. I got a guy that's a Classic Car Society. Here you go, bud. What is this? What is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. See, that's what I was talking about. All right. Hang on. Look at that wood dash. It's gone. Yeah, this is a little MG. What? Wait a second. Oh, no way. The whole thing comes up. No way. Man, I wonder how many wasps are under here. All right, I gotta use both hands. Y'all hang on. Check that out. One piece hood fenders. That's pretty cool. There's a distributor right there on the side of the block. I'm not sure what this is. It's got an M. It's got an M right there. Boy. I ain't quite ready to run my hand off in there yet. Let's let this thing sit still a while after I moved it around. I know better than that. Well, anyway, folks, this video's getting long. Well, see, there's a cool license plate. MDY, Mighty. Wonder if I can get the trunk open. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kind of scared, folks. Some old golf shoes. Little quarter glass. I got to get back. Look at that little bitty tank. We're not crushing this. Oh man, something's biting me. We're not going to crush this. I don't think that's no race number either. Man, top looks bad. I got to go. Somebody let me know what this is. Please. What kind of classic car did I pull out of the woods? Thank ya.